this video we are going to be running Pocket Option AutoTrader. I will use a 5-second close. We use the strategy triple confirm. We are going to take $3,500 trades and we are going to set a high target of $6,000 in this video. If you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. This is a bot that trades completely automatically for you at Pocket Option, and you can have it for free also. You find link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. So now let's start up the bot and let's see what type of win rate we get in this video. So we will now start the bot. What will happen now? He will now, as you see, he's collecting data. He's collecting everything he needs from the chart. Then afterwards he's collecting everything he needs from the indicators that are inside triple confirm. That strategy we chose it. There are a lot of strategies you can choose from, so you don't need to use that one. This is just one I chose for this video. So this is strategy number 16. So just test on demo, figure out which one you like the most, because every strategy is a little different on what is best for that timeline. Like the one we're using now is actually better on little higher time frames. So I'm just testing a little. I have done before also. For me looks like it's going to work quite good on 5 seconds, but some of the cases, some of the ones in the top like RSI and things, they work better on shorter time frame, because the thing is that more simple strategies work better on smaller time frame, and more advanced strategies they work better on higher time frames, because they need more things to get a trade, and then sometimes they can take a trade a little too late on a short time frame. So, but by the way, you can see we reached our target while I was talking. We did take 2 trades, 100% win rate, $6,440 profit. That is good in my book. So once again, if you want this binary option robot, you find a link above the video at X, a link below the video at YouTube. And if you have any question, I reply to every single question when you leave in a comment. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.